So today I'm in Valencia Mar, and I'm looking at this beautiful 23-metre steel blue water boat. Represents a practical and reliable sailing experience. Built in Lithuania, this vessel is equipped with a durable steel hull. It was built in 2012, but it underwent a notable refit in 2023. So the boat is ready to sail. So if you have a project, a commercial project or an individual project, it's ready to go. As I said, it was built in Lithuania. The vessel is equipped with a durable steel hull, making it a solid choice for navigating through challenging waters. Designed with the adventurer in mind, it combines sturdiness with essential features for the open sea. Constructed in 2012, this sailing boat has stood the test of time, maintaining its condition admirably, a reflection of its high-quality build and careful maintenance over the years. As stated, in 2023, it underwent a thorough refurbishment, focusing on complete works on the motor to refresh its performance and ensure its readiness for the sea. Among the key features of this 23-metre steel blue water boat is its comprehensive setup. It comes with a generator to ensure a consistent power supply, no matter the distance from shore. Air conditioning provides relief from the heat, maintaining comfort during voyages in warmer climates. The included water maker is crucial for long trips, offering a self-sufficient source of fresh water. Additional sails like the storm jib, spee and jenica are included, enhancing the sailing capabilities and allowing for adaptation to various weather conditions. This makes the boat versatile and prepared for a range of sailing experiences. Inside the boat offers a practical layout with 4 cabins, accommodating several people comfortably, making it suitable for family trips or hosting guests. The 2023 refurbishment brought updates to the interior, ensuring they would meet contemporary needs by combining practicality with a simple aesthetic. Owning a 23-metre steel blue water boat goes beyond just having a means to sail. It's about choosing an adventurous, exploratory lifestyle. It's ideal for those looking to traverse oceans, visit remote places and enjoy the vast open spaces of the sea. It appeals to those who are bold and have a spirit for adventure. This boat is a notable example of practical design and craftsmanship. Its steel hull provides stability and safety, while its equipped nature ensures that those on board have everything they need for a comfortable journey. To sum up, the 23-metre blue water boat for sale stands as a dependable, well-equipped and well-maintained vessel, ideal for anyone looking to venture into sailing or continuing their adventures on the water. So, we're going to go inside the boat, have a look around that. I think the video will speak for itself. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more about the construction of the boat, the history of the boat, there's a full inventory underneath this video, and we're available. The boat's just along the quay from our office. So if you're a serious purchaser, we can organise a virtual visit for you. So we look forward to hearing from you. My name's Peter Matty, and we speak all the languages: French, Spanish, Italian, German. So yeah, we're looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.